Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you another great pay-per-click website, and this one is the highest paying website for clicks. Before we continue, click on the first link below this video where you can find all tools you will ever need for affiliate marketing. So site is called StarClicks, and you have a link to this website in the description of my video, and this is how it actually looks like. It's very simple interface, and you have immediately on your front page your account balance and available work for today. And this is the only website what I find that they pay you actually 1 cent for click. Usually you get $0.0001 per click, and you need to stay at least 30 seconds on some ad. But here, look, I have now $30.88. You go on pay-per-click ad, click, and immediately you can close it, and you have already $30.89. In case you miss it, again, I have 89 cents. Click, close it, and I have $30.90. What's great about this website? You need literally 10 seconds to earn 10 cents. And what it's not good about this website? Not good is that ads are limited. That's the biggest problem. So translated, that means like silver basic member, free member, you will need at least 10 months to reach payout of $50. And actually you will really get $50, but you will need a lot of time that you reach and achieve that goal that you can actually withdraw your money. What you can do? You can upgrade. And good thing is, you need to think like this. They say like this: in silver membership, you have limited ads. And that means that you will never have more than, let's say, 10 ads per day. As silver member, you will have ads like gold member, you will have ads for $4.8, and that will cost you $29.95. So that means when we use, I know how much it is, but I want that you visualize this. $4.8 multiplied with 30 days, it's $144, and when you take away $30 for membership, you will earn $114. This is true, but you need to calculate one very important thing in this. First of all, you won't earn $4.8 with clicking ads. That's very important part, because you can earn money here in two types of ads. You have pay-per-click ads. This is what I show you just now. Ads you simply click and earn. Simple like this. Click and earn. Click and earn. And that's it. So I need to explain you something. As silver member, you can click only and only on pay-per-click ads, exactly like I show you right now. You have several blocks, you click and open ad, and you earn 1 cent exactly per ad. On gold and platinum membership, you can earn $4.8 and $9.6. That's true, but in slight different way. So let me explain. You have here pay-per-click ads. So that means pay-per-click ads are that ads what I just show you how I click and earn 1 cent. But like gold and platinum member, you also have HTML code ads. That means like silver member, I don't have this code. I need to generate some code and put it somewhere on Blogger, on my WordPress website or wherever, and I will get website with some ads, and there I can go and click. But that clicks should be, and they will accept only unique clicks. So that means you cannot come and click by yourself. You need to have people or traffic on your blog that they bring you some amount. You will some traffic, and the amount you will generate income from that. So this is not quite true what you see here on these packages, because you will have available 20 ads or 25 ads, that's true, but the rest will be only in HTML code, which you can generate income in the way that somebody click on it. So if you have profitable website and website with heavy traffic where people can actually click on something, this is okay, because you will actually generate clicks and you won't have any trouble reaching this amount of money, $4.8 per day, where you will actually have turnover per month higher than $100. If you don't have some website or you don't know how to generate traffic on your page with this HTML code where you will generate links, you won't actually achieve that amount of money what you can earn per day, and you will get less money, but I assure you, you will earn exactly as much as you pay membership. That's very important. So on this website you are actually never in minus. And to prove you that, I will show you that I pay membership $29.95. I didn't use any HTML. Actually I did to try it, and I earned $1.14 exactly. So when you take away this $1.14, you will get exactly the same amount as I pay here for this membership. So I'm not in minus. That's my main goal, what I'm trying to tell you. As much as you pay this membership, exactly the same amount of money you will get in return. So everything what you earn more, you will earn only if you have some place where you can put this HTML code and generate some traffic and receive some clicks. The same story is with Platinum membership. It's double more and it's even then double expensive. But point is, with Platinum membership, I cannot make upgrade. And they say it's not available in my country at this time. And no matter from where I try to upgrade on Platinum membership, I'm not able to upgrade. On Gold membership, no problem. You can upgrade without any problem, just few clicks, and that's it. But on Platinum, I'm not able to upgrade. And I try many times from several different IP addresses, so on and so on, but I'm not able to do it. So let me tell you several secrets, which I never actually share with you. You can a little bit cheat on this website, and you can cheat in the way that you register several different accounts if you have possibility to use several different IP addresses over proxy, over VPN, or changing IP, but each user should be in different browser, because you will collect cookies and any system is smart enough that recognize that it's the same user. So every different account you need to use on different browser and different IP address if you want to have multiple accounts in the same time. And like that, when you plan working like that, it won't be any problem. But the point is, for referrals, you will see referrals, and the referral program actually won't give you much. And that's why I don't have any referral here, because actually I don't need them. And they say like this, you have referrals, and for referrals you get per sign up 8 cents, per upgrade $5, and per upgrade on Platinum you get $10. Platinum does not work, so if somebody upgrade on Gold membership you will get $5, and when somebody sign up you will get 8 cents. So that means if you have additional 10 accounts you will get in start 80 cents, and you saved yourself for 1 week of work. And point is, why I'm telling you this, if you go on this slower method, you can grow several different accounts for next few months, and you can achieve the same amount of money on several different accounts. And after a long period you will spend here growing your account, when you reach that and achieve goal that you can receive payment, you won't receive payment from one account with $50. You will receive payment from multiple accounts, and you will receive as many you have per $50. That's something what I'm trying to explain. So this is something what literally require from you, like you see, less than 1 minute per day. And you will need to take a lot of time that you actually reach that goal. Let me try to explain you like this. When you take calculator and you say $50 and divide it with 8 cents per day, you will need 625 days that you reach $50. Understand? And that's something what can be annoying. So 650 days multiplied with 8 cents, it's $50. So that means that little bit less than 2 years you will need to spend that you reach that amount of money. Yes, it's a long term, but 8 clicks is just average. Sometimes you have 12, sometimes you have 15, sometimes you have 17, so on, so on. Today I have 8, and I probably calculate the worst scenario, so don't be so paranoid when you see this. And the other thing what I'm trying to tell you also here is you will be able to receive your payments and collect money only when you confirm your email address and fully confirm your account. Without that, whatever you click, you won't receive money. So I think this is super easy game for play, and you can easily earn money if you have money to invest. So if you really have $30 to invest, you can easily earn $90, or how much we calculate before. Let me recalculate again. $4.8 multiply with 30, and we take $30. So $114 you will be earn per month. You will be able to earn if you can afford yourself gold membership, and if you are able to place HTML code somewhere and get some clicks there. So guys, I think this is the most easiest way how you can earn $100 per month, and only investment what you have here is $30, which if you don't have possibility to place HTML code, you won't lose, because if you click every day, you will get payback for that amount what you invest already. And also what I want to tell you, this is the only website I found that have highest payment per click. So 1 cent, no matter how many ads you have, no matter are they low profile, high profile, you always get 1 cent, and that's very important. So what you waiting for? You have a link in description, register and start to earn money. See you next video.